Hello, welcome back to Science. Today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. Let's go ahead and read our job for today. I will compare and contrast the sky so I can tell how things change in the sky from day to night. Remember on Monday we talked about what causes day and what causes night, and we talked about how the earth spins on its axis, and so certain parts of the earth are facing the sun. That's daytime, and when the parts of the earth that are not facing the sun, that is nighttime. But today we're going to talk about how they change. How are they the same and how are they different? When we compare, we look at the things that are similar. When we contrast, we look at the things that are different. So we're going to go ahead and read what's in the sky. We're going to jump over here to Epic. And let's go back to the beginning of the book. We don't just start in the middle. Okay, What is in the Sky by Pam Holden. We can see one sun up in the sky. This is the day sky. We can see one moon in the sky at night. Can you see clouds up in the sky? Sometimes I like to use my imagination and look up at the sky and think about what some of these clouds look like. Have you ever done that before? Can you see stars in the sky at night? Sometimes we can. We can see some birds flying in the sky, and we can tell this is the day sky. We can see some planes flying up in the sky. This looks like it's the day sky as well. Can you see some balloons in the sky? These are some really pretty hot air balloons. Look at all the colors and shapes on the balloons. Those are pretty awesome. We can see one rainbow in the sky. All right, guys. Oops, let's move on. So we are done with the book. We're going to flip back to our lesson here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to look at the things that are the same and the things that are different. Okay, and so you will complete this sheet here. It's attached to your lesson. And so think about some things that are the same in the day sky. What are things that are the same in the day sky and the night sky that we can both see? You can use something that you learned in the book or something that you already know. And I'm thinking, if I go back to the book, I'm thinking about the part in the book where it talked about planes. I knew we see planes in the day sky. I remember in recess, Ethan, do you remember we see some of these planes and you tell me the names of the planes? That's pretty awesome. But I also know that I've seen planes at nighttime. I might not be able to see them this clear, but I can see the lights on the planes because planes fly at night too. So I think I'm going to go back here, and for things that are the same with the day and night sky, I think I'm going to type, you can see planes in the day and night sky. Then I want you to give me one more thing that's the same. You can see, what can you see in the sky during the night and the day that they're the same? Okay, now I'm going to just leave that there, and I want you to come up with two things that are the same. Now we're going to think of two things that are different. Well, I know that you can see the sun in the day sky. We don't see the sun at night, do we? Then I'm going to say you can see stars in the night sky. Can we see stars in the day sky? No. So remember, the differences are the things that are not the same. The similarities are the things that are the same, similar. So you will complete this. It automatically saves in under your Google assignment. And just make sure that you're using complete sentences. Just don't say planes in the sky, or don't say sun and moon. That's not a complete sentence. We need to make sure that we're always practicing speaking in complete sentences and writing in complete sentences so that we understand, so that the reader can understand what the writer is trying to tell us. So after you complete this assignment, you'll make sure to click Turn In. And last, I found this really fun story. It's called When Night Becomes Day. It's just a fun little story, and I'm not going to really tell you too much about it. I read through it, and it was really, had some really funny parts. But the sun and the moon, they want a change of scenery. And so the moon comes up with this brilliant solution. They want to swap jobs. The moon wants to do the sun's job, and the sun wants to do the moon's job. Read this and find out what happens. Find out how it goes. I can't wait to hear, to see your work. And if you have any questions in regards to this assignment, please reach out to me. I'm here to help you in any way that I can. Have a good rest of your day, guys.